Hello everybody. So today we're gonna make a video to explain to you guys how to replace the glass for iPhone 14 Pro Max. So we're gonna show you guys all the details. Okay, let's get started. So because for 14 Pro Max, we're using the laser machine because we're gonna use the laser machine to burn a little bit of the glue on the frame. So this is the first step we're gonna be taking. Normally you have to be this part first. Okay, you put inside of it. Okay, now let's start. So the first step for our procedure, we're using the laser machine. So this is our first step. So in this case, we can. Make the. So in this case, we can make the glue softer. So now we are going to go to the separator to take off the frame of this screen. This step, we're going to be using the hot plates. So this is the hot plates, and also we're going to be using the cutting wire. So this cutting wire is, we're using 0.028 millimeters. So this is the cutting wire we're going to be using. And also this is the glue remover, the miniature we're going to be using. And so we also going to be using the alcohol for this process, and also this metal sheet we're also going to be using. Okay, I'm going to let my technician to show you guys the process because he's professional. So let's get closer to see the details. So first step, I hope you guys can see this clearly. So from the top, you take off the frame. This is alcohol because I think a lot of you guys can ask me what kind of liquid we're using. This is alcohol, not something special. Because we have used the laser machine, so the glue is very soft. So the glue is a little bit hard. Okay, it's beautiful. Let's say so you can see the lines on the screen. So okay, now let's do the glue removing. We're gonna remove the or use the mini drill, the glue remover, to remove the glue on it. So when you are doing this, especially on the camera part, you have to be very, very careful because you don't want to break the LCD. So you have to control the mini drill very well because you don't want to break the LCD. So just be careful on that. Okay, the camera side, I mean the camera hole and also the sensor part of the screen. So they were like glue on it. So also you need to clean it. So you can use the tweezer to clean the glue inside of the camera ring. So we're using the wiper. It's very important from one side to another side. So this is very important. We're doing this inside of the dust-free room. So the glass we're going to be using, this is the glass with auger. So the glass has already with auger applied on the glass. So we're going to be using the glass. So this is from the brand of this glass material is Master B, and the quality and also the presentation is perfect. And we're gonna be using hand for this work. You can use mode, but because there are like a camera hole and a sensor, so it's very, very strict with the mode. So you have to be very, very accurate. So that's the reason our technician prefer using hand for this work. Okay, now we're going to be using the lamination mode. We put inside of the mode and we put it into the machine. So I'm going to explain a little bit about the setting we have is 40 degrees, 40. The vacuum time is 20 seconds. And also here, the holding time 15 seconds. The pressure is 0.25. So this is the setting for this machine. Okay, now let's get started. there were like some bubbles on it, but no problem. We're gonna put it into the bubble remover. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Let's say how the screen looks like. So, okay, let's go to the strong light. Let's go to the focus to say, so this is the result. Now we're gonna test the screen. iPhone 14 Pro Max. Touch. Can you test the touch? Yes, test it. Yeah. Okay, touch works perfectly. Okay, we're gonna put a film on it. Okay, guys. So this is the whole process for iPhone 14 Pro Max. So this is the how we replace the broken glass for iPhone 14 Pro Max. And if you like the video, so please click like for this video. And if you have any questions, you can leave your question on the comment area. Leave your comments in the comment area. And also, if you need the materials, it's like the glass, if you need the machines, tools during this video, you can contact our seller. And I hope you guys enjoy the video and benefit from the video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.